Running out of space at home? You're not alone. In tiny homes and small apartments, clutter builds up fast, but the right organizers can completely change how your space functions. Today, we're checking out smart Amazon space-saving finds designed to unlock hidden storage, declutter crowded areas, and make every inch of your home work smarter. From clever closet solutions to compact desk and bathroom organizers, these upgrades help small spaces feel bigger and far more organized. Let's jump right in. Opening the lineup with hidden bedroom storage, these underbed rolling storage containers turn wasted space beneath the bed into a clean and organized storage zone. This large 60-liter capacity design easily stores blankets, clothes, shoes, or seasonal items, while the clear lid keeps everything visible. Smooth rolling wheels let this bin slide out effortlessly instead of dragging heavy boxes across the floor. In tiny homes where closets fill quickly, this simple upgrade unlocks valuable storage space without adding bulky furniture. Most sets typically cost around $20 to $35. Moving forward, this over-the-door shoe organizer, a smart way to store footwear without sacrificing valuable closet space. This hanging system uses 24 breathable mesh pockets to hold sneakers, sandals, slippers, or accessories while keeping everything visible and easy to grab. This vertical design transforms unused door space into practical storage that normally goes wasted. For small apartments or tiny homes where floor space disappears quickly, this organizer helps keep shoes neatly contained and off the ground. Most versions typically cost around $15 to $25. Right after that comes this Wonder Hanger Max, a clever closet upgrade designed to multiply hanging space instantly. This heavy-duty hanger system lets multiple garments hang vertically instead of spreading across the closet rod. This simple design keeps shirts, jackets, or pants grouped together while reducing crowded closet rails. In tiny homes where closets feel cramped fast, this vertical hanging trick can dramatically expand clothing storage without installing additional racks or shelves. Most options typically cost around $10 to $20. Now moving into bathroom organization, this corner adhesive shower caddy transforms empty shower corners into practical storage zones. This rust-proof stainless steel design holds shampoo bottles, soaps, razors, and shower essentials while keeping everything lifted off slippery tub edges. This strong adhesive installation skips drilling and mounts securely to tile or glass surfaces. For compact bathrooms where storage is minimal, using corner wall space keeps the shower area tidy, accessible, and far less cluttered during daily routines. Most sets typically cost around $20 to $35. Next comes this makeup organizer with lid and drawers, designed to keep beauty products neatly arranged on crowded countertops. This compact multi-layer design stores cosmetics, skincare bottles, brushes, and small accessories in one contained station. This transparent structure keeps items visible, while the covered top helps protect products from dust. In small bedrooms or bathrooms where vanity space stays limited, this organizer keeps everyday essentials tidy while freeing room on the countertop. Most versions typically cost around $20 to $40. Now sliding into closet shelving, these acrylic shelf dividers instantly turn messy stacks of clothes or towels into clean vertical sections. This adjustable divider system separates sweaters, jeans, bags, or linens so piles stay upright instead of collapsing together. This simple structure keeps everything visible and easy to pull out without disturbing other stacks. In tiny homes where closet shelves must hold more items than usual, these dividers help maintain neat storage while maximizing every inch of shelf space. Most sets typically cost around $15 to $30. Let's keep things tidy around electronics with this cable management box, built to hide messy power strips and tangled cords. This durable ABS enclosure stores power bars, adapters, and charging cables while keeping wires safely tucked inside. This design instantly cleans up desks, TV stands, or office corners that normally collect cable clutter. For small apartments where exposed wires quickly make spaces feel chaotic, this box creates a safer and far more organized charging area. Most options typically cost around $15 to $25. Meanwhile, in the bathroom or vanity area, this hair tool organizer keeps styling tools neatly stored and ready to use. This heat-resistant compartment design holds hair dryers, curling irons, and straighteners while allowing cords to stay contained. This vertical holder keeps hot tools safely separated instead of cluttering the counter or drawers. In smaller bathrooms where styling tools quickly take over limited space, this organizer keeps everything tidy while freeing valuable countertop area. Most versions typically cost around $20 to $35. Next up is this bedside hanging caddy, a smart storage solution for beds without nightstands. This fabric organizer hangs neatly on the bed frame or mattress edge, creating pockets for phones, books, remotes, or glasses. This compact design keeps nighttime essentials within easy reach while clearing clutter from small bedroom surfaces. In tiny apartments or dorm rooms where bedside tables often don't fit, this simple organizer adds convenient storage without taking up any floor space. Most options typically cost around $10 to $20. Now heading forward with desk organization, this Underdesk storage drawer organizer adds hidden workspace storage without replacing furniture. This two-tier slide-out metal drawer mounts beneath the desk, creating space for stationery, notebooks, or small office supplies. This keeps the desktop clear while still keeping essentials easy to access during work sessions. In tiny home offices where every surface matters, this hidden storage layer helps maintain a clean and productive workspace. Most versions typically cost around $25 to $40. Quick pause. If something here is already making your life easier, you can find all the product links down in the description below. Now let's keep rolling with this charging station for multiple devices, a simple way to organize the growing pile of phones, tablets, and accessories around the house. This multi-port design powers several devices at once while keeping cables neatly arranged in one compact hub. This setup eliminates scattered chargers across desks and countertops. In tiny homes where outlets and surface space are limited, this small station keeps everyday tech organized and ready to use. Most options typically cost around $20 to $30. After that comes this bathroom apothecary jar set, a small upgrade that instantly cleans up cluttered vanity counters. This 4-jar set stores cotton balls, swabs, bath salts, or small beauty essentials while keeping everything visible through clear containers. This simple design keeps frequently used items grouped neatly instead of scattered around the sink. In compact bathrooms where countertop space fills quickly, these containers create tidy storage while adding a clean, organized look. Most sets typically cost around $15 to $25. Now moving into closet organization, this clothes storage drawer organizer turns messy dresser drawers into neatly divided sections. This compartment design separates socks, underwear, scarves, or accessories, so everything stays visible and easy to grab. This structure prevents drawers from becoming chaotic piles of clothing after a few busy mornings. In tiny homes where dresser space must stay efficient, these organizers help maximize drawer capacity while keeping everyday clothing neatly arranged. Most options typically cost around $10 to $20. Next up comes this comforter storage bag, designed to tame bulky bedding that normally eats up valuable closet space. This large fabric container stores comforters, blankets, or seasonal bedding while protecting them from dust and moisture. This soft, structured design easily slides onto closet shelves or under beds without rigid storage bins. In small apartments where blankets pile up fast, this organizer keeps bedding compact, protected, and neatly contained year-round. Most versions typically cost around $15 to $25. Meanwhile, this mobile standing desk adds flexibility to compact home offices. This adjustable rolling desk supports laptops, notebooks, or tablets while allowing you to work sitting or standing. This slim design fits easily beside couches, beds, or small desks without taking over the room. In tiny homes where one area often serves multiple purposes, this mobile desk creates a flexible workstation that moves wherever productivity is needed. Most versions typically cost around $60 to $100. Moving into garage organization, this wall-mounted garage tool organizer turns cluttered work areas into a structured storage zone. This heavy-duty rack holds shovels, rakes, brooms, or garden tools while keeping everything off the floor. This vertical wall storage frees valuable garage space while making tools easier to find. In smaller garages where equipment quickly piles up, this organizer helps maintain a cleaner workspace while protecting tools from damage. Most options typically cost around $20 to $40. Now let's talk about this screw tool organizer. It keeps tiny hardware pieces neatly sorted instead of scattered everywhere. This compartment system separates screws, bolts, anchors, or drill bits so each piece stays visible and accessible. This structure saves time during repairs by eliminating the hunt through mixed hardware piles. In compact garages or workshops where storage must stay efficient, this organizer keeps small parts tidy while improving overall workspace organization. Most versions typically cost around $15 to $30. Let's bring things back inside with these woven storage baskets, a versatile solution for organizing everyday household clutter. These durable baskets hold blankets, toys, laundry, or miscellaneous items while keeping everything neatly contained. This open-top design makes items easy to grab while maintaining a clean, decorative look. In tiny homes where storage must also look good in shared living spaces, these baskets provide practical organization without bulky plastic bins. Most sets typically cost around $25 to $45. Next comes this vacuum storage bag set, one of the most powerful space-saving tricks for small homes. These compression bags remove excess air to shrink bulky blankets, pillows, or winter clothes into compact flat packages. This dramatic size reduction allows items to fit easily under beds, inside closets, or inside luggage. In tiny apartments where seasonal storage becomes a challenge, these bags multiply available space while keeping fabrics protected. Most sets typically cost around $25 to $40. And finally, closing things with a unique workspace solution, this foldable manicure table creates a compact beauty station that disappears when not in use. This portable design folds flat and stores easily while still providing a sturdy surface for nail work or small craft projects. This built-in storage compartments help keep tools organized during use. In tiny homes where furniture must stay flexible, this foldable workstation delivers functionality without permanently taking up valuable floor space. Most versions typically cost around $90 to $150. And that wraps up these smart, space-saving Amazon finds built to help tiny homes feel bigger, cleaner, and far more organized. From clever closet upgrades to hidden storage solutions and compact organizers, these simple additions can completely transform how small spaces function. If any of these caught your eye, you'll find all the product links waiting in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more smart home finds like these.